Hi everyone, have you ever faced a situation where you had to quickly prepare project builds either on site or in office? It usually takes time to create the required formats in Excel like a consolidated measurement sheet and a detailed abstract sheet, and also sometimes building wise measurements and stat sheets, especially when client demand them. Tell me honestly, how much time does it take you to prepare bill formats for just two buildings? Drop your answer in the comments. Let me give you an example. I have prepared the formats for two buildings, one admin building and second one is security building, in less than 1 minute. How is that possible? I am using a powerful Excel tool called EasyQS, and today I am excited to introduce its first update, EasyQS. Again with EasyQS, we can save time, get accurate calculations, estimate project costs, reconcile materials easily, boost your career growth. And the best part, you don't need to be a quantity surveyor. Anyone can use it. Yes, even if you are a beginner, engineer or supervisor or contractor. With EasyQS, you can prepare project builds, generate quantities for all type of components like footings, columns, beams, slabs, roads, drainages and more, just with a few clicks. This is completely free for everyone. Just WhatsApp a message like EasyQS1 to 9959923436. Before signing off, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you for support. In the next video, we will show how auto calculation and measurements update for isolated, sloped and pad footing.